For number 6, point A is located at coordinates 3, -2. Quick reminder about ordered pairs. Our first value is the x, second value is the y. This is the x-axis, y-axis. So when we plot this point, I start at the origin, 0, 0. 3 tells me I go to the right 3 on the x-axis. -2 says go down 2 on the y. So what are the coordinates of each point? So I start with A. Point B is the image of A after a rotation of 90 degrees counterclockwise, using 0, 0 as the center. So point B is the image of A after a rotation of 90 degrees counterclockwise. Okay. So, let's see, can we see this point? Okay. So I have A marked. We're going to put our little plus sign at the origin because that's our rotation point. And we're going to go 90 degrees counterclockwise. So I'm going to move to the left. And I know I've rotated 90 degrees because my little crosshairs at the origin line back up. Now mine kind of smudged. You'll be able to see on yours. So my rotated point is right up here. Now here's the thing, the directions ask for the coordinates. So you have a couple options for how you want to answer this on the paper. If you want to mark the graph, that's fine, but you need to label the coordinates. Start at the origin. My x coordinate is 2. My y coordinate is 3. So you could write your ordered pair here, or you could, we want to label it, or you could label it here. So either here or here, but somewhere I've got to see 2, 3. If you draw your point, make sure you label it. You could even just label this B and write your ordered pair over here. That's okay too. Okay, let's look at B. Point C. Point C is the image of A after a translation 6 units up, then a reflection using the y-axis. Okay. Is that okay? Okay. So translation 6 units up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units up. Now you can plot a temporary point if you need to. This is not your final answer, that's temporary. Then a reflection using the y-axis. Now, the y-axis is my reflection line. And what we know about reflections is my point will be equal distance from the reflection line. So if my point is 1, 2, 3 from the reflection line, I know my answer will be 1, 2, 3. So my reflection would actually be to the left. My original is 3 to the right, my reflection is 3 to the left. Now, if you actually wanted to fold along your reflection line, see how that matches up? So my answer is C. That was temporary. Get rid of that. So point C is at 1, 2, -3, up 4. Make sure you put parentheses around your ordered pairs. And then finally, point D is the image of A After a reflection using the x-axis, then a translation 3 units to the left. So the first thing is a reflection using the x-axis. Okay. So at my point A, my reflection is this x-axis line. So we reflect up, and what you'll see is my point. If this was my reflection line, A was 2 below, so my answer is 2 above, and actually that's point D. So, but I'm not done, right? Be careful. That's temporary. It's a temporary point. So I'm just going to plot it temporarily because then I have a translation 3 units to the left. So once I've reflected my point up here, here's my reflection point, I have to go 1, 2, 3 units to the left. So this is my final point. My ordered pair is, I don't go left or right at all, so x is 0, y is 2. So definitely label the points with your letter, and then you decide, do you want the ordered pair on the graph or the ordered pair over here? Up to you.